In this video, we're going to be identifying horizontal asymptotes. We have three examples that we're going to use to help us here. So for problem A, we have f of x equals 8x squared plus 1 divided by x to the fourth plus 1. If we look at our degrees, we see that the numerator has a degree of 2 and the denominator has a degree of 4. Since the numerator's degree is smaller than the denominator's degree, then our horizontal asymptote is going to be the line y equals 0. And just to make it a little bit quicker, we're going to abbreviate horizontal asymptote as HA. So our horizontal asymptote is y equals 0. And we can take a look at that graph, and we can see that when we plug in the equation, this is what we get. And indeed, we have a horizontal asymptote of the x-axis, which is y equals 0. Let's take a look at letter B. So here we have g of x equals 2x to the third minus 6x divided by x squared plus 4. So if we take a look at our numerator's degree, we have a 3, and our denominator's degree is a 2. And since our numerator's denominator is larger than our degree of our denominator, then that tells us that we have no horizontal asymptote. So we can write none. And if we plug that into the graphing calculator, we can see that we do not have a horizontal asymptote here at all. And problem C. So here we have h of x, and we have 8x squared plus 9x minus 5 divided by 2x squared plus 1. And we see we have the numerator's degree is a 2, and the denominator's degree is a 2. So because the degrees of the numerator and the denominator match, then to find our horizontal asymptote, we're going to take essentially our 2 and our 8. So let's box them like this, our leading coefficients. And we're going to take 8 divided by 2, which is going to give us a 4. So our horizontal asymptote here is going to be y equals 4. And if we take a look at the graph for that function, we can see that we do have a horizontal asymptote located here at y equals 4. And we can also see a great example of our function crossing that horizontal asymptote, which is allowed to do for horizontal asymptotes, but not for vertical asymptotes. And so this is how you find the horizontal asymptotes for any of the given functions, using the degrees of the numerator and the denominator.